jump off, little girl. Don't jump.
Bless up my people. I work me there still, you know. Anyway, come across one little thing and you know me. I never like it and me say I go just say something about it, you know. Right, you have this youth over St. Mary way. Named COLAZ. Good youth. And may I tell you, I see youth I try to help in the hurricane. And I show some things. So him come with a truck and him I try to show some things give people them and may I tell you, yo, the people like Corelly truck, Bam Rushy truck, and may I tell you say then start to try to take off sitting them off by truck and may I tell you say I know nothing pretty enough. All one little girl take down one case of juice and she almost fall down and me I say, yo, how much people them a behave so man? And all type of people a rush, a jump on the truck and take off things. Everybody had to grab off one case of this, one case of that. And I know say the youth go and him a try for him a go share up him. Now go and give everybody a case cause you know everybody have to try get little something cause enough people. But at the rate how people them a grab off the thing, youth have to drive well if them. Everybody know Jamaican people stay. Then them no wait, them no patience. And that's all I make him man issue out and do him a do man and make everybody can get a little blessing, man. You understand? Cause him just a try help out. And him is just a YouTuber. But when me look at me see one how people are trying to bash the youth. I say him not professional because him shouldn't drive way and all type of little something. Yo, I don't know if you stop him, man. If you stop being ungrateful, man. Give youth some credit for what him do, man. Him not have to do it, you know, all time pocket him a do it, you know, brother. You have a bigger heads them when now and do nothing. Nothing at all. And we just like to tear down people. Stop tear down a youth, man. Let go a youth bumbuckler shirt, man. Let go a youth shirt, man. Make a youth do what him do, man. A good youth. Him not have to do what him do. Him could have chose to not do nothing because all time pocket him a do it. You understand? A time now for people start give people credit and stop tear them down. I just peer criticism. Jamaica have some of the most critics. And the people them we are criticizing and do nothing. Lord, the people them we are do things, man. Let go a youth bumbuckler shirt make youth do what him do, man. Youth a good youth. Youth not have to do what him do, you know, brother. You know, let go a youth shirt, man. You know, like them something, them, man. You know, if you appreciate people more, man, and give people more credit for what them do. A little people, them a do the things, them. A bigger heads, them now do nothing. Some of the bigger heads, them don't even reach out. None at all yet. And the little people, them, we are trying to help out because them see the need. Them hear the people, them cry. And them a reach out to the people, them, and them will not tear down. If I mean more that drive way too. Because if people are bam rush truck and me now get to share up a thing, everybody get a little thing. Me a drive way too. So you not do nothing wrong. You not stop behave like you do something wrong, man. And give the youth some more credit, man. I got a youth bumbuckler shirt. Have a good night.